Ever met someone for the first time and instantly felt like you could trust them? What if I told you there's a psychology trick that makes people feel that way about you, even without saying much? It's called mirroring, and it's one of the most powerful tools for building trust. Fast. Let's break it down. Welcome back to the Practical Psychology, the place where you learn how to use psychology in real life. Today, we're diving into mirroring, a subtle body language technique used by therapists, negotiators, and even FBI agents to build instant connection and trust. Mirroring is when you subtly copy someone's body language, tone, or even words. It's like your brain's way of saying, hey, we're on the same page. And it works because humans naturally trust people who seem similar to them. Let's say you're on a first date. They lean in while talking, wait a few seconds, then lean in too. They talk with their hands. Start adding a little gesture to your speech. They say, I've been so drained lately. You respond, yeah, I totally get that. Feeling drained makes everything harder. The key? Be subtle. You're not copying. You're syncing, like dancing to the same beat. This creates a vibe that says, you get me. And that's where trust starts. Now hold up. Don't go full mimic mode. Too much mirroring and people will think you're weird, or worse, fake. So here's the golden rule. Mirror the energy, not every move. Stay natural, stay human. So next time you're on a date, in a job interview, or just making new friends, try mirroring. You'll be surprised how quickly people start to feel like they've known you forever. Want more real-life psychology hacks? Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.